Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to calculate solubility product from the concentration or the solubility. Otherwise, how to get the solubility from the solubility product. There are two things. So first we are going to get solubility or the concentration from the solubility product because you are given the solubility product. This is the solubility product given. And you want to find the concentration of the saturated solution, nothing but you want to find the solubility. So how to do it? First, the question says that write the expression for solubility product of lead to chloride. So KSP is equal to concentration of Pb2 plus aqueous into concentration of Cl minus aqueous to the power 2. This is the expression for the solubility product. Now we want to find the concentration. So if I consider the concentration of Pb2 plus is equal to X, then the concentration of Cl minus will be 2X. So we will write like KSP is equal to X multiplied by 2X to the power 2. This is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power negative 5. Now we need to go for simplifying and solving for X. So X multiplied by 4X square, which is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power negative 5. So 4x cube is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power negative 5. So x cube is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power negative 5 divided by 4. So which is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power negative 5 divided by 4, which is equal to 0.5, that is 5 into 10 to the power negative 6 moles per decimeter cube. So X we need to find, which is cube root of 5 into 10 to the power negative 6, which is equal to, we need to find cube root of 5 into 10 to the power negative 6. So let us do that. 5 into 10 to the power negative 6. So I am getting 0.017 moles per decimeter cube. Here it is not moles per decimeter cube, it is mole to the power 3 negative 9. So it is before the cube root. So you are getting as a result 0.0171 moles per decimeter cube. This is the X. So concentration of Pb2 plus only they are asking, which is 0.0171 moles per decimeter cube. If they ask the Cl minus ion concentration, then it will be 2 times X. So 2 times 0.0171, which is equal to 0.0171 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 0.0342 moles per decimeter cube. But in this question they did not ask you to find out Cl minus ion concentration. If they ask, you can do like this. And as well they are asking you to get the unit. State the unit of KSP. When you want the unit of KSP will be equal to moles per decimeter cube to the power A plus B. What is A plus B? The power here and the power here. That is what A plus B. So here in this case it is 1 plus 2. In this case KSP is equal to, the unit of KSP is equal to mole per decimeter cube to the power 3. Then you have to multiply this 3, 3. You get mole to the power 3 dm to the power negative 3 multiplied by 3 negative 9. So that is how we get this unit. So how to calculate the solubility from the solubility product? I have to first write the expression. From there I will get the solubility in terms of x. Then I'll have to do square root or cube root or fourth root, whatever it is. You get the concentration, then accordingly you represent. And the unit calculation is also I have given. I'm going to take one more example to calculate KSP from the solubility. So I take one question. So this is another question where we are going for calculation of KSP from the solubility. So here the concentration is given. So you are having Ag2SO4. You are getting 2 Ag plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. So here it is 2 times Ag plus, so the concentration will be 2 times 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2. Here it is only 1 time SO4 minus, so it is 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2. So before I go further, I'll write KSP is equal to concentration of Ag plus to the power 2 into concentration of SO4 2 minus. I need to write the status also. So I'll write like Ag plus aqueous into SO4 Ag plus aqueous to the power 2, because you have 2 here, SO4 2 minus to the power 1. So if I want to write the unit will be equal to mole per decimeter cube to the power 2 and 1. Here it is 1, right? 2 plus 1. So it is going to be again mole to the power 3 dm to the power negative 9. So the unit is mole to the power 3 dm to the power negative 9. So now here we are going to calculate the value of KSP. So for that I need a concentration of Ag plus. The concentration of Ag plus is 2 times 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2. 2 times 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2, which is 5 into 10 to the power negative 2. Concentration of SO4 2 minus is the same, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2. Both are moles per decimeter cube. So now I substitute these values in the expression of KSP. KSP, it is Ag plus to the power 2, 5 into 10 to the power negative 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2.5 into 10 to the power negative 2. So I have 5 exponential negative 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2.5 exponential negative 2. So you have 6.25 into 10 to the power negative 5 moles per decimeter cube, mole to the power 3 decimeter to the power 9. That is what the unit of KSP. So KSP here is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power negative 5 mole to the power 3 dm to the power negative 9. So I have shown you two things. One is how to calculate the solubility from the KSP. Then how to calculate the KSP from solubility. You need to know both the cases and you need to be very clear what is asked. So here they are asking calculate the value of KSP, that is solubility product. If they ask concentration or solubility, they are asking X. So I need to understand this, then only I can proceed further. When you do, you need to understand what is that asked, whether solubility or solubility product. In both the cases, you need to have the skill of writing expression for KSP using the salt given. Here it is silver sulfate, so we break the salt into silver and sulfate. That is the basic thing we need to know. I hope this video helps you to understand the calculations involved in KSP and the solubility. Thank you for watching.